Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new folder in your bookmarks bar in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the Zen browser, let me open it on my desktop computer. There are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to these three dots in the top left, click into bookmarks, and here navigate to the manage bookmarks tab at the bottom, or use shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O. And here use that overview of all bookmarks, expand it, and here, for example, create a folder like other bookmarks, and then right click into it and select that folder, give it a name, example folder for instance, click into save here, and that is going to create that folder. Now you can move it to a different location, of course, and you can create also subfolders like this, and that way organize your bookmarks. That's one option. Option number two, you hover your mouse over the bookmarks bar, right click into it, select that folder, and create a new folder, and repeat the same process, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.